right, let's take a look at what's playing out in your markets, kicking things off with the JSE. Now, the gains posted in the previous session fizzling out with stocks back in the red. We are seeing a slight pullback globally and that filtering through to the JSE. It was a busy day locally with financial results and Chelsea's market debut. With that, it's red across the board. Those losses fueled by the financial 15 down close to 1.7%, followed by a 1.5% decline in the industrial 25. And then over on the resources 10 complex, we are seeing that also in the red, down close to 0.7%. Taking all of that into account, the Oshe down just over 1%. Now, markets are closed in the US on account of Thanksgiving. So let's shift focus now to what's playing out in Europe. A bit of a mixed picture on that front, with the German DAX up 0.3%. The CAC 40 pretty flat, up 0.06%, while the FTSE 100 sheds 0.06%. Let's take a look at what's playing out on the currency front. The rand at the beginning of the session today holding on to gains, but we are seeing some declines coming through as we reach the end of the day's session. The dollar to the rand at 17.15, the pound to the rand at 22.72, and the euro to the rand close to 20. Let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar flat at 1.15. Also flat is the pound to the dollar at 1.32. Some strength coming through when looking at the dollar yen pair, sitting just above 146. And now for a preview of that market action, we're joined by Sasfin Wealth's Robert Ntaoleng. Thanks so much for your time today. Let's get your analysis on markets, right? Why are we seeing a pullback today? Is it because trading volumes are low due to the Thanksgiving holiday over in the US?
Partially. I mean, I think we ended up doing about 25 billion on the market today, so it was a fair volume in the end of the day. It was quite surprising, though. We started really firm in the beginning of the day with gold and platinum up really strongly, and just it got softer and softer into the close. And about 3:30, we saw quite a big sell-off. So I don't know if it's profit taken into the US holiday, but it was surprising to see that all sectors of our market ended up down today.
All right, let's hit pause on the conversation. Rob Ntaoleng there from Sasfin Wealth. Catch a full assessment of the day's trading session at 6 p.m.